What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to set up a tent because I'm thinking about going camping, and the worst thing I or anyone can do before going camping is not testing out their equipment. So I'm going to put this out, see if everything's together, and if it works, and then we're all good. All right. I know it seems and sounds simple, but trust me, there's a lot of people that haven't done it and don't know how to do it. So if you learned something, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I appreciate it all. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.